It says meeting is now streaming on Facebook. Is it live?
We are good to go.
Okay, cool. After, hello everybody. And the day started with technical glitches. And, first of all, Zoom gave up on us, and then Facebook was not ready to connect. But then, whatever it is, we are right here. So, hello everyone. Good morning and welcome to the live webinar on student development. And the topic for today is, yes, stay employable during COVID-19. Brought to you by Unicorn People and powered by Maha Training and Placement Officers Association, popularly known as MATPO. So we will start our day with thanking Mr. Sheetal Kumar Ravandle and Mr. Sanjay S. Jadhav. Mr. Sheetal Kumar Ravandle is the Dean, Industry Institute Interaction, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, and also the President of MATPO. And Professor Sanjay S. Jadhav, Dean, TNP, Srimati Indira Gandhi College of Engineering, Navi Mumbai. We are really, really thankful to these two gentlemen because they have really helped us connect with you. And that's the reason we are here and we are all connected. And so we have around 100 people live on Zoom. And Rashi, how many registrations we had?
We had a whooping number of over 800 students who have registered for this. And we hope to have more people coming live on Zoom.
Yes.
On Facebook, actually, sorry.
Yes. So that's the idea. Now, we will start with, I forgot to give my introduction. See, that's happened, when we are doing something live like this. So I'm your host and facilitator, Vandana Teji. And today the co-host is Rashi.
Hi, everyone. I am Rashi.
Rashi Goel. And together we bring around 18 plus years of HR experience across several industries. And both of us have experience in campus hiring, job fairs, and we've done a lot of fresher hirings. So hence, we are here to talk about our experiences, our expectations, and how you can defeat COVID, a situation of crisis across the world, and still stay employable. So Rashi, how are you feeling today?
I think after the glitches, a little nervous, but hopefully it'll be a great session to look forward to, Anna. So let's get started.
Yep, yes. And in the meanwhile, I just wanted to announce for people who are live on Facebook and you have not filled up the registration form, we will share the registration link with our post so that if you have any questions pertaining to job search, our form has that area wherein you can put in your queries directly, just in case we are not able to answer live. We will try to get back to you. Okay, so the clock is ticking and it's past 11. So without wasting much time, let's begin the session. A brief introduction. I will start to share my screen and let me know if it is visible to all. Okay. Yes. So student development webinar, and as I told you, we have been supported by MATPO, and once again, thank you for doing that. Stay employable during COVID-19. That's the topic for today. While we specialize into various topics, but right now we thought that this is the need of the hour. And if you have any questions, this would be the right time to get them answered. So a brief about us is, the Unicorn People is a new age HR consulting firm, and we are based out of Mumbai. We bridge the gap between industry and academia, and we do a lot of work. And I would like to mention out the specializations that we do. We do skill development for students and faculty members, partnering with academia on developmental projects, providing consultancy services for institutes, branding, etc., and organizing campus events such as placement drive, leadership talks, etc. So we do it all. Now, without much ado, I will give you this. We'll start with this graph. Now, this graph is the unemployment forecast before COVID-19, which was made by International Labour Organization, which is ILO. And this was done somewhere in 2018. And they had actually done a thorough study from 2000 onwards, okay? From the year 2000 onwards till 2018, they have considered the unemployment rate, which has, been wavering or, between 5 to 6% roughly, okay? And basis the previous unemployment data, they were able to give us a forecast for 2019, 2020, and 2021. And as per their forecast, after 9 years, that is after 2009, in 2020, it would have been a scenario job, the unemployment rate would have actually stabilized a little, and it would be somewhere around 4.8. If you see 95% towards then, it is the maximum prediction which happens. So 95% of the prediction votes in favor of somewhere around 4.8% of unemployment. And so that was a happy news, because it was supposed to go down, but this was before COVID-19, my dear. After COVID-19, things have changed, and things have changed drastically. I need not tell you that. So today's session, I am planning to conduct in Hindi and in English, so that we have students who who can, yeah, if you're not comfortable with Hindi, I will try to make sure that you understand the English bit of it. And in case you are not comfortable with English, you can understand the Hindi. I'm a bilingual. I speak only Hindi and English. So I would like to, say apologize for just in case if somebody doesn't understand both the languages. Okay. So जो स्थिति है हमारे सामने, वो शायद बेहतर होती अगर कोविड-19 नहीं होता, ये तो दुनिया जानती है. मगर आज के डेट में जब COVID-19 has hit us so badly, and it is not just India. India is not just one country, okay, which has been hit. It has been hit across geographies. US is struggling far more than us. Italy has been struggling since, China has already, the struggle is over. The world is struggling. ये किसी एक के लिए लड़ाई नहीं है, ये लड़ाई सबके लिए है. और COVID-19 ने, so it is like, we were none of us were ready for this attack on us, on the global economy. And on 2nd of April 2020, Business Insider published an article which was provided by National Sample Survey, which is NSS. And it says that in India, 136 million jobs are at stake. 136 million jobs stake पे हैं. Considering the COVID situation, agar October 2020 tak we don't bounce back, that means the industry, everybody has to work really, really hard, so that all the economic losses which has happened during these 2 months, we recover it before October. And every year in India has, before Corona, the unemployment rate has always been higher in India, because there is a drastic difference between the number of job opportunities and the people who pass out. So, somewhere roughly between 20 million and 2 million, 20 million pass outs annually, and around just 2 million jobs available. So that's the difference. And the worst hit sectors are hospitality, manufacturing, automobiles, and airlines. Yes, they are the worst hit sectors. So students, if you are from any of these sectors, now is your time to think aloud and think which other sector do you think, or you think you like, or you think that you can see a future in it, because you have certain understanding. If you do not have knowledge or understanding, then I would suggest to utilize this time and go for skill development. Yes, there are abundance of companies like Adobe, IBM, who are offering free technical courses on their website during COVID-19 so that students can utilize it. In fact, professionals can utilize it. I'm every day a part of a webinar, whether free or paid. I make it a point that I spend at least 1 to 2 hours in self-development. And so ये जो है, ये बात हर किसी को समझ में आना चाहिए. ये आम जिंदगी नहीं है. जैसे जिंदगी चल रही थी वैसे नहीं है. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपका क्या स्पेशलाइजेशन है. दुनिया में आज के डेट में इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपको जॉब लगे. And the world is going through a tough phase and we are all locked in our homes. Some of us have just started the job hunt, the epic job hunt, I call it. Others and few have been also terminated, wherein the employers are unable to pay bills because of their own reason. So I know the situation is gloomy. So how do you feel? How do you feel? I want you to take a minute. 1 मिनट रुक के सोचिए इस बात को कि इस सिचुएशन के बाद भी क्या आपका ये समर वेकेशन चल रहा है. A lot of time I hear from teachers stating they are not interested for any of these courses. The students are not interested for any of such courses because उनके लिए उनका समर वेकेशन चल रहा है. अगर आपके लिए आपका समर वेकेशन चल रहा है तो आपका समर वेकेशन कुछ 4-5 साल लंबा चलेगा सर, मैडम भी. So yes, now all those feelings are just right. If you're feeling angry, if you're feeling confused, if you're feeling sad, and the reason I think all those people who are on the call are on the call because you are feeling all of it. You're sad, you're confused, you're angry, you're not ready for it. And Corona has just taken over. And all those feelings are just right and justifiable. I'm not saying that you're feeling incorrect और जो आप फील कर रहे हैं वो गलत है, आपको ऐसा फील नहीं करना चाहिए था. लेकिन आपको इस बात को समझना होगा कि you can wait and waste your time or you can think differently and create a job opportunity. I will tell you my story. I passed out of my MBA in HR in the year 2008. 2008 में, जी हाँ, उसी साल रिसेशन हिट गया था. So आपका ये जो कोरोना वाला पीरियड है, इससे पहले जो रिसेशन आया था वो 2008 में आया था. And I did not pass out from any big name like an IM or an Auxiliary. I did it from a very small college in Maharashtra. And the maximum campus which my college could offer was for marketing or certain other job profiles. But what did I do? I got a job before my result was published. I went for a walk-in interview at Wipro and cracked it open because I was determined to do that. The reason I'm telling this story is here is because had I allowed the thought of recession, take over me, कि अब तो रिसेशन है, मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती हूँ, अगर मैं ये सोचना शुरू कर देती तो शायद मेरी नौकरी नहीं लगती. बट बिलीव मी, आई डिडंट इवन थिंक अबाउट इट. सोचो ही मत कि कोविड जैसा कुछ सिनेरियो हुआ है. ये सोचो मैं पास आउट हो गई हूँ और हम पास आउट हो गए हैं और मुझे जॉब लगनी चाहिए और लगेगी बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक, किसी भी तरीके से. उसके लिए शायद आपको थोड़ी और ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़े, आपको वॉक इन इंटरव्यूज में जाना पड़े, थोड़े आपको एक्स्ट्रा पैसे भी खर्च करने पड़े ताकि आप सर्टिफिकेशंस ले सको, लेकिन नौकरी लगेगी क्योंकि लोग अभी भी हायर कर रहे हैं. और कौन हायर कर रहे हैं ये मैं आपको बताऊंगी आज. So there is a trend study in remote work growth. Take some time to look at the graph. 5 साल पहले 44% लोग ही सिर्फ रिमोट वर्क करते थे. 10 years, over the last 10 years, 91% लोगों ने करना शुरू किया. And last 12 years में 159% लोग, and this is a world data, okay, and it was prepared in January 20 by FlexJob and by Global Work Analytics. they had actually studied the people who are working from remote. So I know students will ask me, Vandana, what is remote working? What do you mean by remote working? मतलब क्या होता है? घर से काम करना? नहीं. So not just working from home. Remote working means working out of a place which is not your typical office. सब लोग ने सुना है कि there are freelancers, there are solopreneurs, there are people like us who are consultants, okay? So ये दिन रात increase हो रहा है. And एक reason जो लोगों को पीछे रखता था, so that they could not work from home or from a remote location, was the idea that how will I connect with my team? I think COVID has brought that in. It has taught us that irrespective whether you travel out of your home or not, you can still work. You can work at par with what you were working from your offices. तो अब हमको ये पूछना है अपने आप से, are we ready? Me as student, are we ready to accept such jobs? Are we thinking on these lines कि कौन सी companies है जो remote working कराती है? क्या मैं remote working करूं? अच्छा रहेगा. So I have, I have friends who are working from home. They are working from their client offices, or they are working from a cafe. Okay, they're all remote work, and they are working really, really well, and they are growing in their career. Companies, big, medium, small, all types are hiring. हाँ, ये भी बहुत लोग सोचते हैं कि अगर आपकी कंपनी छोटी है तो ही आप फ्रीलांसर्स हायर कर सकते हो. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Companies as big as HUL and Aditya Birla Group, they are all hiring people from as remote workers, and there is no harm in it. And because last year also, अगर आप देखोगे, बड़ी consulting companies हैं जैसे Deloitte, KPMG, in their research they had told that the companies will have to be ready to hire such people who want not to work from office. All you got to do is go check them out on the internet. You have the power of internet. Go utilize it. Just don't watch Netflix and chill. Okay, you can do that, but there has to be a balance. Still not sure how this helps you, which roles can be performed remotely, which industries are still functioning, which organizations can provide working opportunities. Are you thinking on these lines? I'm going to answer all of it. These are the fields which are offering jobs as remote working, right? Medical health, IT computing, customer service, education and training, sales, accounting and finance. I have done this research for you, okay? Now I want you to go ahead and pick yourself and start preparing. This data was till 2019, but believe me, there is not much of a change, because all COVID was able to do was what? Yes, lock us at our home, but it can't really lock the internet. It can't really lock the way we are working. Like was it possible for me to connect to so many people live in person? No, not really. On the grounds? No, not really. It was a difficult job. Everybody would have, आप में से कोई इंडिया के किसी भी कोने में बैठा होगा और आज मैं आपसे कनेक्ट कर पा रही हूँ. That is the power of internet. And if you have the power of internet, you understand the power of internet, then please make good use of it. Please make good use of it. It is very, very important. Now, at this point, Rashi, do we have any questions coming in?
Not yet, Vandana. There are a few questions which we will be answering in the upcoming slides, and hence I will post that across to you once we come there.
Okay, cool. And so now moving ahead. These are the companies which are offering remote working in India. Symantec, DoorDash, Facebook, VMware, United Health Group, Accelerant, Xerox, US Green Building Council. I know the name looks Angreji hai. Nahin, this is in Gurgaon. We have done the research. RiseSmart, Intel, SAP, Cactus Communication, and Accenture. All of them are hiring for remote workers in India. So please keep a watch on all these companies. If you're looking out for a job or an internship, these are your companies, and you're interested to work remotely, these are the companies you have to target. You know, the worst part about unemployment, nobody has ever defined unemployment for you. So let me define unemployment to you. The worst part about unemployment is this, that a person who is certified, who is capable, who is to work and is looking out for job, but not getting employed, despite that person's numerous effort, continuous search. That is how bad unemployment is. And India and the world is going through a tough time. And it has always been, there has always been a difference between the year of past number of people who are eligibly looking out for job and the number of jobs in the market. There has always been a gap. But one thing that we have to understand, that another fact is that corporates continue to complain that quality of pass outs or quality of talent is missing. Have you ever thought about it? While we all sit and blame the Indian education system, and we can continue doing that, क्योंकि हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है दूसरों के ऊपर अपनी गलतियां थोपना, पर हमको खुद को पता है कि क्या तरीका है, क्या मार्केट में डिमांड है, उसको कैसे पता करें और अपने आप को कैसे स्किल अप करें। 150 रुपए की सिगरेट की पैकेट आप खरीदने में 2 बार हिचकते नहीं हो, लेकिन अगर 150 रुपए की ट्रेनिंग आएगी तो आप नहीं अटेंड करोगे। दैट इज द सिनेरियो। थिंक इन योर हेड। Still not sure. I am just coming up with one example, just one example. And this is from Flex Jobs. Flex Job is one of the biggest website, which is like Naukri in India. Okay, but just for it is only having flexible working options. Please pay attention to the number of opportunities, that is 2087, and this is only for freshers with no experiences. You will also come to know that there are so many opportunities you are not even aware of and is floating across the world. So my dear, it is very important that you go ahead and do your research. Companies hiring in India. Yes, I also got this list specifically for you. Okay, e-commerce. You have Big Basket, Grofers, and Amazon hiring big time. And this is as latest as April 2020. If you can see, it has been published on April 2020. It is an article which I'm referring by Deepti Jain, who is the editor at LinkedIn. Okay, she is the one who has consolidated this list of the companies who are hiring. Tech, you have Salesforce, Game to Win, White Hat HR, White Hat JR, Blue Banyan Technologies, you have HR, you have IKEA, Human Capital Solution, InterviewBit, and others, Bisleri India. This is something which I came across, okay? Bisleri India is hiring for HR interns, and it was a post on LinkedIn. So what is my next slide? You have told me so many things, Vandana, but I keep applying on everywhere. But I'm still not able to reach them. How do I reach them? You can reach them. Find the right audience. Yes, you can reach them through job portals. Now, there are websites, job portals are websites. I hope everybody knows that. our website, wherein companies advertise for their job opportunities, the open job opportunities for which they are hiring. Okay. And the famous ones are Naukri, Monster, Times Job, Indeed, Shine, Freshers World, Internshala. They're numerous. You just Google it out and you will get so many options of job portals. But one thing that everybody asks me, one thing, I have my resume on the Naukri, but I don't get any responses from the recruiter. I keep applying every day, but there is no response. To them, my answer is, my dear, blind replying would not help. Please spend some time on your resume. Is your resume just a piece of paper and there is no difference between X, Y, and Z? Do you have some extra skills? Do you have what is required by the job company? Did you try to connect them on professional networking platforms? And what is the professional networking platform I'm talking about? LinkedIn. Yes, my dear, LinkedIn. So job portal pay, when you see a job opening and you think that your skills are in line with this job post, so you apply on Naukri, okay, and wait. You have two options. You can continue to wait forever, or you can go to the professional networking platform. Look for a person in your network, okay, who is working in that company, so that person can forward your resume as a referral. Believe me, companies when they hire, जब वो hire करती हैं, तो सबसे बड़ा source होता है employee referral. क्यों? क्योंकि एम्प्लॉय रेफरेंस से एम्प्लॉयज भी खुश होते हैं और जो आने वाला जो कैंडिडेट होता है उसकी भी काफी गारंटी होती है दैट द पर्सन विल स्टे बैक, काफी दिन तक हमारे यहाँ पे रह के काम करेगा. और सबसे मजेदार बात है कि हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम जॉब पोर्टल पे अप्लाई करते हैं और भूल जाते हैं और सोचते हैं, बस कंप्लेन करते रहते हैं कि हमें कोई रिप्लाई नहीं करता है. और आज मैं आपको इसका चारा बता चुकी हूँ. All you got to do is to go on LinkedIn, find a person who is connected to you. अगर ऐसा है कि you are not connected to anybody from that, then try and write a message. Please don't send blind contact, request to any HR, any, working professional or anybody. Sit down, write 4 lines. Hello, I'm so and so. I'm a student of this college and I'm looking to network with you. LinkedIn is not a job search platform, but yes, if you write to the person that you're looking to network, the person will accept your request. And then you can ask, I have applied on Naukri, but, there is no reply. Can you help me or guide me as to how I can, go through and, job opportunity, I can pursue this job opportunity with your company. Believe me, people will happily reply to you. Yeah, if they have time. Please don't sit on their head. Like I wrote at 12 o'clock in the night and 9 o'clock in the morning and say, please answer to my questions. Please answer to nobody will do that. Please don't do that. Give that person around 24 hours, 48 hours to revert. Okay? And if the person is reverting, you should be happy that the person has really taken time out of his schedule, out of that, their schedule, and thought of replying. And if you get a job, just don't forget that person. Remember to thank. Remember to thank. Before I finish my side, and I was actually, I was asking this question. A lot of students still say, Vandana, I followed whatever you have told me, but I'm still not able to find my audience. There is nobody who's replying to my resume. So you're still not getting calls. So what will you do in such a scenario? For that, my dear, my friend Rashi is gonna take over and help you as to what to do just in case you have done all that I have told you and you're still not getting the call. So I'm going to quickly stop sharing and I will hand over those slides to Rashi, and Rashi will go ahead and take you through the journey further. Before that, Rashi, any questions for me?
Not really, Vanna. A lot of people are requesting for more such sessions, is what I can see actually.
Okay, okay.
So you could probably have a look in the chat box while I start off the second part of the session. Just let me quickly check. Is my screen visible to everyone? Can you just get a good thumbs up? Thank you so much. So yeah, Vanna has covered more on what has been happening externally, how the market is working, and what sort of efforts you may start to take by being on job portals, by being on the LinkedIn's, etc. But a lot of students do reach out to me as well on LinkedIn and to Vandana on a daily basis that here is my CV and I'm not getting through. Now, what to do in such a situation is exactly the problem. While you might have found the right job portal and the right audience for your CV to be there, but have you ever wondered, is your CV enough? Is your CV the right CV? Is your CV something what the organizations are looking for? Do understand that your resume is the first impression that you make. You know, it is said that when you meet someone in person, it only takes 5 seconds to sort of make an impression about them. Your resume is exactly that. Your resume is the first impression that you make on the organization, on the recruiter, on the hiring managers. So do work on your resume. That's the first thing. You need to understand, are the skills that are written in your resume relevant to the current industry? Are they relevant to the job that you're applying for? And how is it that your resume stands out from the entire bulk of resumes that we get? You, as a practice, I mean, I have been in the HR fraternity for almost 5 years and have been doing talent acquisition and campus recruitments. Most of the fresher resumes are a copy paste. One resume is not much different from the second resume, and that's where extra skills, your extra efforts have to shine, because you need to understand that there are around 200 million pass outs every year and there are only 2 million jobs available. That is a sort of difference, and that is the reason that you need to fall under those 2 million category. So your resume needs to set apart from everyone else. Now, how to set apart your resume is something you might ask. You might want to do certain hygiene checks. Grammatically, is your resume fine? Formatting, is the good formatting? Have you covered all the aspects of a resume? Are you using the words, or are you using the right skill sets that need to be used on a resume? Is your resume matching to the job that you're applying for? A lot of times when I posted a job for, say, a pharma student, I used to get engineering students applying for the same. Why would I pick an engineering student for a job which is meant for a pharma student? Be very thorough with where you are applying. And even if there were pharma students, they had only completed their education. There was nothing beyond that. Yes, your college provides awesome education, but then also understand the number of students who are undergoing the same education. So how are you different from all of your classmates out there? And you need to also understand that you're not competing in a class. You're not competing with just the other 60 students or 100 students in your college. You are competing with all the rest of the students who are passing out in the same stream as you across India, across the globe. So first things first, your resume needs to be perfect. Your resume needs to walk the talk, and your resume needs to be bang on to the job that you're applying for. Vandana has already stressed upon a lot in terms of skill development, and that is where your resume sets apart. So how to differentiate your resume, right? There are various ways where you can differentiate it. So while you have a good educational background and you've completed the minimum criteria required for a job, there are a few extra things that you can go about doing. You can do skill development, you can do academic projects in your college, you can probably partner up with your teachers who are always involved in some sort of research project or the other. You can also ask them for recommendations goes a long way. Have you been a good student in class? Are you someone who's attentive, have taken initiative? Get those recommendations from your professors, from people you have worked with, internships you might have done. Those are the things that will set your resume apart. Also, in case you have not been able to get involved in academic projects, or the time was not right, like the current situation, and you were not able to probably participate in a lot of projects and competitions out there, work on personal projects. We have so many engineers, so many pharmacy students joining us here. You are all bright brains out there. Use this time to work on any personal project, something that you had an idea but just never got time to do. This is the right time to work on that project. Be innovative. While companies are being innovative in the way they hire, in the way that they reach out to students, in the way that they structure their jobs today, you need to be innovative and show the companies later that this is what I did during these 20-30 days of the lockdown, and that's how I come flying out. So work on your personal projects. Do internships. There are humongous number of internships available online remotely to be done. In case, so I had a question saying that I'm a mechanical engineer, what sort of internship I do? There are a lot of opportunities out there. Read about it online. In case you don't get something core, so I'm not saying that you can do a job sitting at home which probably needs you working with machines or at a plant. However, you can write about the job. You can probably get into designing of new machinery. Use your creativity and innovation right there. Put it on your resume, and that's how you'll be different from all your classmates. Another thing that Vandana talked about was creating your personal brand. So creating your personal brand is all about creating your presence online. So हमने बहुत सारा बात किया about the resume, a lot in case of how you differentiate your resume. कैसे बाकी 1000, 2000, लाख बच्चे से आप अपना resume अलग करोगे. So resume एक चीज हो गई. Resume वो होता है जो हम कंपनी को डायरेक्टली एक शीट भेजते हैं over an email. बट हम हर रोज क्या करते हैं ये कंपनी हमारे रेज्यूमे से नहीं पता कर सकती. टू गेट टू नो कि आप व्हाट डिफरेंट यू डू फ्रॉम अ रेज्यूमे, सोशल मीडिया. हम लोग सब है इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, ट्विटर, लिंक्डइन. Almost 90% of you who have joined us live today are on a social media, especially because you are using a platform called Facebook. So social media पे तो आप already हो. बट वो क्या स्टोरी है जो आप सोशल मीडिया पे बता रहे हो? व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ स्टोरी आर यू टेलिंग योर नेटवर्क अबाउट योरसेल्फ? दैट क्रिएट्स एन इम्पैक्ट. The other day we were having this session on leveraging LinkedIn, and that's exactly what I want to touch upon here, saying that आपका professionally what you do, if you put it across on social media, the chances of getting a higher engagement. So what will happen is that if you post about something, if you share links, if you sort of write on a regular basis, people will notice you. So there are chances कि आपको recruiter के पास जाना ही ना पड़े. The recruiter might just notice you and reach out to you. So that is the pull that social media creates. We have a lot of influencers out there and they're doing some awesome work. Blogging has come up as a very innovative and a new way of working. Do that. मेरे को किसी ने बोला था कि लिंक्डइन करना अपने आप में एक जॉब है, एंड दैट इज ट्रू. लिंक्डइन इन इटसेल्फ इज अ जॉब फॉर ऑल प्रोफेशनल्स आउट देयर टुडे. हम लोग घंटों बिता देते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे फोटोज देखते हुए, लोगों को लाइक करते हुए, हर रोज के चैलेंजेस लेते हुए. Can we not spend 30 minutes of our time just looking at LinkedIn and probably writing something worthwhile for people to notice? Just worthwhile, which is relevant to my domain. जो देख के लोग कहे हाँ इसको कुछ आता है, ये कुछ डिफरेंट कर सकता है या कर सकती है. That is what will set you apart, guys. Creating a brand about yourself. People should know who you are even before you reach out to them using your resume, using your network. People should be able to be drawn to your profile. That is what the power of social media is. The other day I was telling a few people and I was reading on the statistics of it. LinkedIn has 660 million participants across the world, and these are all working professionals. Out of the 660 million people on LinkedIn, 15% of them are in decision-making positions. Imagine the number of people. In India alone, we have 62 million people on LinkedIn. India is the second largest market. मतलब हम लोग सोशल फेसबुक पे करेंटली इंडिया नहीं बीट कर पाई है. इंडिया हैज स्टिल मोर पीपल फॉलोइंग ऑन फेसबुक, बट प्रोफेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म के नाम पे इंडिया इज नंबर 2. वी आर इवन अहेड ऑफ चाइना, given that China कितना professionally market capture करा हुआ है, and where India is at the moment, we are definitely a developing country, and also a lot of countries have now given us the status of a developed company. So imagine you are in that sort of a network. 62 million people को आप reach कर सकते हैं through the right branding piece of it. पोस्ट करिए अपने बारे में, अपना प्रोफाइल प्रॉपरली बनाइए, बी मोर प्रोफेशनल अबाउट इट. रिक्रूटर्स आजकल कुछ भी ट्रैक कर सकते हैं. वी कैन गो आउट एंड जस्ट चेक योर फेसबुक. इफ यू नो, in the news, a lot of companies fire their employees if they post something derogatory on social media, because that is called professional conduct. It is very essential. And branding is just not about your hard skills, guys. Another thing which I would like to point out here is that कई बार हमें लगता है कि हमें एक education मिल चुका है and that is all. But सॉफ्ट स्किल्स आर इवन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. आप कैसा बिहेव करते हैं, आप टीम में काम कर सकते हैं नहीं, आर यू अ गुड कोलैबोरेटर, कैन यू लीड अ टीम, कैन यू communicate properly. And don't take me wrong, communication does not mean speaking English. कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब होता है कि मैं अपनी बात अपने से आप तक पहुंचा सकूं और वो करेक्ट तरीके से पहुंचा सकूं. इट कैन बी एनी लैंग्वेज. आई हैव टेकन ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ इंटरव्यूज जहां पे कैंडिडेट टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे होते हैं. मेरे से आज तक किसी एक कैंडिडेट ने ये नहीं बोला कि मैम आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश, क्या मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ. एक बार अगर कोई बोल दे और उस जॉब में रिक्वायरमेंट ना हो इंग्लिश बोलने की, तो आई विल नॉट हेसिटेट. एक प्लांट लोकेशन में जो कहीं होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर महाराष्ट्र में कोई प्लांट है, हम प्रेफर करते हैं कि आपको मराठी आए जिससे कि आप ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन से बात कर सके. इंग्लिश इज नॉट अ मैंडेटरी नॉलेज. इंग्लिश इज रिक्वायर्ड, यस, बिकॉज इन अ लॉट ऑफ एरियाज वी नीड सर्टन कंप्लायंसेस. लिखने का काम रहता है. यू हैव टू पुट डाउन योर थॉट्स ऑन पेपर विच विल प्रॉब्ली बी ऑडिटेड बाय अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, where English comes as a common language, and hence English is important in a lot of ways. But fluency in English, मैं पूरे टाइम इंग्लिश में ही बात करूं, is not necessary. Why are we doing this webinar today not just in English? हम हिंदी में भी बार बार बात कर रहे हैं so that the message goes across to the larger audience, and that is the purpose of what you need to do. आपका जो पर्सनल ब्रांड है, that talks about your thoughts, that talks about who you are, that talks about what I have done so far. And that is what you need to build upon. And when I say personal brand, online personal brand is one thing and offline personal brand is another thing. Be very conscious of what you are talked about, how people perceive you, how your professors are giving you feedback. A lot of times I hear professors saying कि हमारी तो बच्चे सुनते ही नहीं है. One message to all the professors out there, ये बच्चे नहीं हैं. And you guys also need to understand that you are adults now. वंदना बार बार मुझे ये बोलती रहती है जब मैं भी कहती हूँ कि हम स्टूडेंट वेबिनार कर रहे हैं. यही चीज है कि हम अडल्ट्स के लिए एक वेबिनार कर रहे हैं. ऑल ऑफ यू आर अबव 18 टुडे. You all have been given the status of being an adult. Behave like an adult. Today you are here. We have over 400 people watching this live on Facebook, and we have people joining us on Zoom. You guys are spending over an hour here to learn something. Make the most of your time. This is a piece of your branding. If you go out there today, tell people that मैंने 1 घंटा अपनी learning पे spend किया. That shows a lot about you. It talks very highly of you कि आप ऐसी situation में जहाँ काफी लोग बस घर पे बैठे हुए हैं and probably Netflix देख रहे हैं, वो 1 घंटा निकाल के you have worked on yourself. Post about it across. Tell people that yes, I am investing in my learning. कई लोग लिंक्डइन पे मुझे लिखते हैं कि आजकल तो हर रोज ही सर्टिफिकेशन कोई ना कोई कर रहा है. एंड दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. उसमें गलत क्या है? दे आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन देयर ओन स्किल डेवलपमेंट, राइट? एंड दैट इज व्हाट टॉक्स हाईली ऑफ देम. So I would like to probably end here and say that go out there, get successful. We have given you a lot of tips, hopefully. And if you implement all of this, if you just implement not even all of it, if you just look at say 50-60% of it, we will be very happy कि हमने कुछ contribute किया. Vandana, I would like you to pitch in here.
Yes, Rashi. The whole soul idea of conducting, ये करने का कारण ही यही था. I have my younger sister who is in engineering and she is watching it right now. I keep scolding her every day क्योंकि वो मुझे complain करती है आपके तरह. तो मैं उसको यही बात बताती हूँ, तुम्हारे पास एटलीस्ट आज तुम अपने घर में हो. जब मैंने MBA पास आउट किया था, मैं पुणे में थी एंड मैं मम्मी पापा को कुछ बोल भी नहीं पा रही थी कि मेरी नौकरी नहीं लग रही है. ठीक है, यहाँ तो तुम्हारे पास एक दीदी है जो तो सुन सकती है और कुछ कर भी सकती है उसके ऊपर. सो राइट नाउ इज द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मेक श्योर दैट व्हाटएवर वी हैव टोल्ड, अगर आप इन सारी बातों का ना सिर्फ 2 या 3 पॉइंट भी उठा के उसके ऊपर काम करिएगा ना, प्लीज टेक इट इन राइटिंग फ्रॉम मी. nobody can keep you unemployed. Because that focus is missing, my dears. एक घंटा किसी की बात सुनने के लिए आपको बोर हो गया, आपको क्या, मेरे आई वाज सीइंग जस्ट समबडी पोस्टेड ऑन लिंक्डइन, मैम जल्दी वाइंड अप करो, बोर हो रहा है. बोर हो रहा है, अगर आपको बोर हो रहा है, you have the freedom to log out. But the point over here is this, that the remaining -1, that person, if they all work on 2 to 3 points that we have spoken about today, be it LinkedIn, be it making your resume, be it ready for flexible jobs, okay, thinking aloud. जानते हैं, आपको पता, मेरी कंपनी का वेबसाइट मेरे एक फ्रेंड के भाई ने बनाया था, क्योंकि उसको चाहिए थे प्रोजेक्ट्स. आपने कभी इस तरह का सोचा है? बहुत सारे टेक्निकल स्टूडेंट मेरे पास आते हैं, मैम मेरे पास कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं, मेरे पास कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है. आप सामने से पूछो ना किसी से, आपके कोई ना कोई आपके रिलेशन में इस तरह का छोटा मोटा बिजनेस कर रहा होगा. आपकी मम्मी अगर साड़ी का भी बिजनेस कर रही है, तो आप अगर उसकी एक वेबसाइट क्रिएट करके दोगे ना, आप उनका अगर ब्रांडिंग देखोगे ना, ये आपके लिए एक प्रोजेक्ट वर्क होगा. वो ना सिर्फ आपको एक्सपीरियंस देगा, इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प your family to earn out of it, to create your presence. वो आपके लिए गुडविल भी क्रिएट करेगा और नॉलेज भी लाएगा, दोनों चीज करेगा. तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट बस इतनी है कि आज जो आपने सीखा, प्लीज आप इनको भूलिए मत. प्लीज फॉलो अस ऑन फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, and you can write to us at info@theunicornpeople, and you can call us as well, and if there is an issue, and make sure that you utilize what you have learned today. That is really important, क्योंकि हमारी ये बात आज बेकार हो जाएगी अगर आप लोग उसके ऊपर वर्क नहीं करेंगे. I would like to end here.
So we have a few questions coming in, Vandana. यहाँ अभी मैंने पढ़ा, किसी ने लिखा है कि हम फ्रेशर्स हैं, फ्रेशर्स के लिए तो जॉब्स ही अवेलेबल नहीं होते हैं और बहुत ही हाई क्राइटेरिया होता है. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, अगर कंपनी किसी को जॉब दे रही है तो वो भी बेस्ट कैंडिडेट चाहती है मार्केट से, राइट? फ्रेशर्स के लिए हम ऑब्वियसली एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मांगते हैं, लेकिन हम ये जरूर मांगते हैं कि आप एज अ फ्रेशर, हाउ आर यू डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर्स. So if as an organization, if I'm asking for certain things like आपका परसेंटेज अच्छा होना चाहिए या आप किसी चीज पर्टिकुलर स्किल में अच्छे होने चाहिए, तो how am I wrong? ये सवाल जो बार बार आता है कि हम फ्रेशर्स के लिए क्राइटेरिया बहुत हाई है. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कंपटीशन कितना ज्यादा है.
कंपटीशन ही हाई है, कंपटीशन हाई है यार.
आई नो.
देखो ना, 2 मिलियन जॉब और 20 मिलियन पास आउट, गैप देख रहे हो आप? और उसके बाद भी आप लोगों ने वो नहीं सीख रहे हैं. अब UI UX और IoT की बातें करते हैं दुनिया में लोग, और हम अभी भी C++ और जावा कर रहे हैं. टेक्नोलॉजी कहां से कहां पहुंच गई है दोस्त, आपको भी पता है, लेकिन आप इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते. आप सोचते हो कि कॉलेज इन्वेस्ट करेगा, कॉलेज सोचता है कि आप इन्वेस्ट करोगे. बस इसी जद्दोजहद में दुनिया आगे निकल जाती है और आप फिर बन जाते हो कस्टमर सर्विस एग्जीक्यूटिव.
So do we have any more questions? I am getting, okay, how should I get placed? We have talked extensively on how should I get placed. What is the criteria to join Google? एक और रियलिटी में आपके सामने ले आती हूँ, सबको ही बेस्ट कंपनीज ज्वाइन करनी है. कोई ये नहीं सोचता कि मुझे वो कंपनी क्यों ज्वाइन करनी है. यू नीड टू हैव अ सॉलिड रीजन गाइज. I have worked in a lot of multinational organizations, और इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे मैं जब ये पूछती थी आपको मेरी कंपनी क्यों ज्वाइन करनी है, सब लोग यही आंसर देते थे, क्योंकि आपकी कंपनी अच्छी है. सब कंपनीज अच्छी है, ऑल कंपनीज आर गुड. यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन what are you good at, is that worthy for that company. आप वो रोल कर पा रहे हैं क्या जो आप करना चाहते हैं. फर्स्ट सेट योर लाइफ गोल. एक एक्स कंपनी ज्वाइन करना आपका गोल लाइफ में अगर है, तो उस कंपनी तक मैं कैसे पहुंचूंगा, दैट या पहुंचूंगी, दैट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू डू नाउ. बट माई क्वेश्चन अगेन इज, आपको वो कंपनी क्यों ज्वाइन करनी है? कैन यू चेक, हैव यू थॉट अबाउट दैट? जस्ट बिकॉज मेरा कोई जानने वाला उस कंपनी में काम करता है या मैंने उसके बारे में बहुत सुना है, इज द रीजन आई वांट टू जॉइन दैट कंपनी? Please think over it a lot before saying statements like I want to join X company, what should I do about that? If you want to join a good company, you want to join X company, research what that company looks for. And if you are expecting us to give you the answers, मैं बहुत क्लियरली बोल देती हूँ टू एवरीवन, ये होमवर्क आपको खुद करना पड़ेगा एंड दैट इज व्हाट सेट्स यू अपार्ट. अगर हम आपको सब कुछ देने लग जाएंगे तो दैट इज कॉल्ड इन इंग्लिश स्पून फीडिंग. जो मम्मी बचपन में खाना खिलाती थी, वो एज आपकी चली गई है. मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला दैट यू आर अडल्ट्स. गूगल है आपके पास. देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर सक्सेसफुल टुडे हु डिडंट इवन हैव एक्सेस टू इंटरनेट. Imagine they have read huge books, they have read magazines on a daily basis. न्यूज़पेपर में इश्तिहार आते थे, उसमें वो सर्कल कर करके इंटरव्यूज देने जाते थे. आपके पास तो फिर भी ऑनलाइन एक्सेस है चीजों का. यू हैव अ पोर्टल वेयर यू कैन पुट योर रेज्यूमे, यू हैव अ पोर्टल वेयर यू कैन कनेक्ट विद रिक्रूटर्स. यूज इट वाइजली.
बस I think I am getting more questions on 12th and marks and ऐसी कंपनियां जो फ्रेशर्स को अलाउ नहीं करती हैं. तो दोस्त, कंपनी का नंबर कम नहीं है इंडिया में. कंपनी हर दिन आ रही है, स्टार्टअप्स, मीडियम साइज एंड लार्ज के. प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, हम एक ड्रीम कंपनी का सपना लेके चलते हैं. ड्रीम कंपनी क्या होती है? सब लोग को गूगल में नौकरी लग जाएगी, अमेजिंग. लेकिन गूगल मेरा सपना ही नहीं है दोस्त. मेरा सपना है कि मैं अपनी कंपनी चलाऊं, तो मैं अपनी कंपनी चला रही हूँ. प्लीज एड लॉजिक टू योर ड्रीम्स. बहुत जरूरी है. सिर्फ हवा में ख्याली पुलाव बनाने से कुछ नहीं होता है. आई कैन सिट एंड ड्रीम और आई कैन डू, आई कैन वर्क हार्ड. और हाँ, मालूम है राशि ने बोला, राशि टॉपर है, वो बोलती है कि मार्क्स वगैरह मांगते हैं. नहीं, मैं तो भैया फिसड्डी हूँ. ठीक है, एवरेजर एकदम. एवरेज कॉलेज, एवरेज मार्क्स, सब कुछ एवरेज रहा है. ठीक है, लेकिन हाँ, मुझे ये पता था कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, और अगर मुझे वो चाहिए तो मैं उसके पीछे दिन रात लगा देती थी. अगर आप में ये लगन है तो nobody can take away that dream from you. Nobody. Take it in writing again. लिखित में देती हूँ आपको मैं. बहुत ही जरूरी है इस बात को समझना. परसेंटेज क्यों मैटर करता है? क्योंकि एक कंपनी के पास में और क्या तरीका है. आपने तो कोई एक्स्ट्रा कोर्स किया नहीं है, आपने कोई प्रोजेक्ट किया नहीं है एक्स्ट्रा. आपका और क्या है? आपका क्या है कि आप पास आउट होके आ गए, आपको फिर भी 50% मार्क आए हैं. अगर 50% अंक आए और कोई सर्टिफिकेट भी नहीं किया है, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ाई भी नहीं करी है, बात करने जा रही हूँ तो मैं पूछती हूँ, ओके फाइन, टेल मी, डू यू नो व्हाट जॉब हैव यू अप्लाइड फॉर? लोगों को यही नहीं पता होता कि आपका जॉब क्या चाहता है आपसे. आप ये भी नहीं पढ़ाई करके जाते हो. आप कंपनी के बारे में तो छोड़ दीजिए कि कंपनी क्या है और कंपनी की हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, वो अलग बात है. आपको यही नहीं पता कि मुझे बस नौकरी चाहिए, किस डेजिग्नेशन में. अच्छा ठीक है, मुझे ना डेवलपर बनना है. डेवलपर में क्या डेवलप करना है? आपने क्या एक्स्ट्रा किया है? आपने कोई लाइव प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया है? आपने कुछ प्रोजेक्ट वर्क किया है? आपने कुछ अलग से किया है? कि आप सिर्फ पढ़ के आ गए? पढ़ के तो मैं भी आ जाऊंगी यार, फिर आपको क्यों हायर करें? वेयर इज द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट? दैट इज वेयर यू गाइज आर लैकिंग. आप कुछ भी करिए, अगर आपको लिखना पसंद है, like one of my cousin sisters, she says that I love content writing, so I tell her, then start writing, create a blog. किसी ने पूछा है कि ब्लॉग कैसे बनाए? बहुत ही आसान है यार. जस्ट जाओ वर्डप्रेस पे जाओ, आप जैसे मतलब फेसबुक का लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड बनाते हो, वही जीमेल अकाउंट से वहां पे लॉगिन कर लो. करने से ही सीखोगे. गलती करो. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मेक दैट डैम मिस्टेक. अगर गलती नहीं करोगे ना, पता भी नहीं चलेगा. पिछले 1.5 साल से गलती करके ही सीख रहे हैं हम लोग भी सोशल मीडिया. आपको लगता है कि सोशल मीडिया एक्सपर्ट है? नहीं है. मैं एमबीए एचआर हूँ और स्ट्रेटेजिक एचआर में कोर्स किया, सर्टिफिकेशन किया है. राशि भी एमबीए एचआर है और एचआर में ही नौकरी करी है. कहाँ से आया हमको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग? यही फ्री वाले जो सेशन है ना, वो भी हम भी अटेंड करते हैं. कभी 200-300 रुपए वाले भी कर लेते हैं, क्या पता कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सीखने को मिल जाए.
सो यहाँ पे वंदना, किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, आर ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज हेल्पफुल? तो यस, दे आर हेल्पफुल. अभी एक करंट टाइम पे तो आप वैसे भी बाहर जाके कोर्स नहीं अटेंड कर सकते. ऑप्शन क्या है आपके पास अपार्ट फ्रॉम डूइंग एन ऑनलाइन कोर्स? बट हाँ, ऑनलाइन कोर्स में आई विल से बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है. देखो आप क्या करना चाहते हो एंड ऑप्ट फॉर द राइट कोर्स. बिकॉज लोगों को लग रहा है हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है, दिन में अभी भी 24 घंटे ही बचे हैं. सो यूज दोस 24 आवर्स वेरी वाइजली. वो 24 घंटे बहुत ही ध्यान से यूज करिए. ऐसे नहीं कि पूरे दिन बैठे हुए 24 घंटा सिर्फ सेशंस ही अटेंड कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज दैट विल ऑल्सो नॉट हेल्प. बहुत सोच समझ के चूज द राइट कोर्स. आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको क्या डेवलपमेंट चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, सबकी अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स होती है. मैं एक बार ये और मेंशन कर दूं, work on your strengths also. A lot of people keep working on their weaknesses. While you should definitely work on your weaknesses, please work on your strengths. ऐसा ना हो कि weaknesses पे काम करते करते आपकी strengths ही पीछे रह जाएं. So everyone, I think we have taken more than an hour here. That was the scheduled time. We thank you so much for joining in. I would like to thank again Ma TPO for helping us facilitate this session, especially Mr. Sheetal Kumar Avandle and Mr. Sanjay Jadhav for helping us get this session across to all of you. Thank you all the participants for logging in and giving us 1 hour of your day. Thank you.
You can connect us on LinkedIn by just typing Vandana Teji or Rashi Goyal. We are, you can actually search the Unicorn People. If you follow the Unicorn People, you will find there are employees and we are there. So you can join us on LinkedIn, you can follow us on Facebook. Put us your questions. I know there are certain questions we have not been answered. This last question, Rashi, I'm so sorry. I know the लोग मुझसे पूछते ही जा रहे हैं. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि कहाँ तक मैं इनको आंसर कर सकती हूँ. I got a lot of rejection. Yes, rejection का मतलब ही डिमोटिवेशन होता है. ये ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो? आपको जब रिजेक्ट किया, आपने कभी सोचा अपने अंदर क्यों आपको रिजेक्ट किया? क्या आपने उस रिक्रूटर को दोबारा कॉल लगा के पूछने की कोशिश करी, मैम आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर नॉट गोइंग अहेड विथ माय कैंडिडेचर, आपको मेरे से मतलब आपको लग रहा है कि मेरा प्रोफाइल सही नहीं बैठ रहा है, लेकिन अगर आप मुझे 5 मिनट फीडबैक दे दीजिएगा कि मैं किधर इंप्रूव करूं सो दैट मुझे आगे नौकरी लग सकती है. आप कभी भी ना किसी से भी कोई भी क्वेश्चन पोलाइटली पूछो. इंडस्ट्री में सब आंसर करते हैं भैया, इंडिया हो विदेश हो कहीं पे भी पोलाइटली और किसी से भी क्वेश्चन पूछो. जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन, किसी को नीचा दिखाने के लिए नहीं, किसी से सीखने के लिए. आपको सब हेल्प करेंगे. Please go ahead with this thought. And that's it. I think I can't take any more questions because we are way above time.
Yes, we will try and answer all the questions that are coming on our Facebook feed with the messaging by messaging there itself. So you can still put in your questions on Facebook, or you can reach out to us on our email ID or LinkedIn. I think we should log off here, Vandana. Thank you everyone once again for joining in, and we will see you soon. Thank you.
Before we log out, can we take a quick group picture?
Okay, I'll have to figure that piece out. Just a second.
I'm so happy.
I will stop this sharing. If I could request all the participants on Zoom to switch on their videos, and I can quickly take a screenshot so that we have a group picture that we can possibly circulate online and let people know that we are investing our time properly. In the meantime, I'm stopping the Facebook live stream. So thank you for everyone joining us on Facebook. We will see you soon.